Hi, my name is André Garcia and I'm a Mozilla Tech speaker. Like many other web developers, I'm really interested in the decentralization space. I've been fiddling with many different protocols. I'm really invested into the secure scuttlebutt platform. And today I want to show you how we can wave the old normal web with the new peer-to-peer web inside Firefox. We are going to do that using some web extensions from the different projects from IPFS, DAT, and Scuttlebutt itself to create links between those platforms and the normal web. This is important because what gives web the power it has is basically linking and the network effect that it generates. So that's why it's more powerful than the platforms that were before it, like old BBS, CompuServer, AOL. There is a ton of stuff in the web, and we are not going to throw it away. So with these new protocols and new platforms, we need to integrate them all. So in this very short video, I'm going to show Firefox running and supporting many different protocols. Let's dive right in to Firefox itself now. So what we are seeing now is just like Firefox open with a web page that I'm hosting locally. And you can see here that there is a link. And this link is not a normal web link. It is a link from Secure Scuttlebutt. It begins with the SSB protocol schema, and it has a hash that points into some Scuttlebutt message. This message will come from my feed that is running locally on my computer. Let's open it in a new window. Sorry, new tab. What happened is that Patchfox extension took over the protocol, and it's serving that message from the Scuttlebutt platform, but inside the browser window. So that means that we can go from a standard web page and link directly to a Scuttlebutt resource, and we can see it inside Firefox. And this Scuttlebutt resource can also link to other stuff, such as the IPFS homepage hosted inside IPFS itself. You can see on the lower left corner that there is a link using the IPFS protocol schema and the hash. Let's open that as well. That's the page for IPFS itself. And when we load it, we can see that it's coming from IPFS because the IPFS extension places a page action here showing that it's coming from the IPFS companion add-on and the IPFS daemon that's running on my machine. If you go back to the post on Scuttlebutt, there is also a link to the Beaker browser, but hosted on the DAT network itself. You can see the URL there, dat column / Beaker browser. Beaker browser has that has name resolution. I'm sure that IPFS has it as well, but I have no idea how to use it. So this is not linking to a hash, it's linking to a name that will resolve to a hash. And again, we can see that there is no protocol here, and it's coming from as a secure DAT site from the DatFox extension. What we are seeing here is that we are having a browser experience with no friction. We are just clicking links and things just work. And we are traveling here through 4 different platforms: the web, Scuttlebutt, DAT, and IPFS. Personally, I think this is the future of the web. I think that the future of the web is to be somewhat protocol agnostic. And I think that we need to foster user agents that actually unlock agents in the user to use whatever protocol they want, to be able to browse all the different peer-to-peer stuff they want, and yet be able to dive into the web, and then also, how do you dive out of the web? I have no idea, but you understand, like linking to and from the web. I hope you enjoy that. I'm running a couple add-ons to make this possible. They are that P2P protocol add-on, which is called DatFox, the IPFS companion, and PatchFox. I'm the author of PatchFox, so this is basically half working. And with these three add-ons, we add support to three new protocols. There is an effort by Mozilla going on, which is, let's open it. It's called libdweb, and it's an experiment only. It's not on track for implementation. And libdweb is an investigation on what APIs peer-to-peer author needs. Basically, with libdweb, you get access to TCP, UDP, and many other low-level APIs for your web extension. So in theory, using this, we could implement IPFS, DAT, and scuttlebutt inside the browser without needing native daemons running on the machine right now, like I have right now. For example, we can see the scuttlebutt shell daemon here running. So if you're interested in the peer-to-peer space, go look on these add-ons, go investigate what libdweb does. It's just an experimentation, it's not on track for shipping, but it's cool to use. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and please send feedback my way on whichever network you want.